Hartwell at knot, day 2 in a row. Same plan applies. Top water to surface hunt. By structure, we'll slow down, throw some plastics. We'll get over to rock piles, and we're gonna throw swimmers on underspins. Pretty simple. No. They don't float either. Alright, player, there's one. Not fat, not what I'm looking for. He's not the 4. Fucking on the spot too long, dude. Move water. A very weak bass, right, gentlemen? Alright, we got us a largemouth at knot, gentlemen. Let's let him go. Look like a cat. No, it is a bass. All right, guys. 4 on the night, but again, not what we're looking for here. right, guys. That's another, that'd be a keeper in a tournament. He's a limit guy. Skinny, long. You know how that goes, right? I don't. We're getting there. Anybody up for smallest bass? That's cool, right? Look, I don't know what to count that as, but that's a catch, right? Look at how long and skinny that guy is. Like, that is a long, skinny guy. He might be a limit keeper. I'm having a lot of fun out here at night in the fall, guys. But if you ain't doing this fall night bass fishing, you might be doing it wrong. I mean, none of them are what I'm after size-wise. But I'm catching fish. Nobody's out here. This is fun. Eight of these long, skinny guys tonight. So long, so skinny. Like somebody needs to feed these bats. Man, it's got progressively better. Another long, skinny one. Like real talk, I'm up to 5 fish, 12-inch minimum. Let him go. That's a good bass. That's the best one. He got off. All right, guys. Hartwell at night. 9 bass. It was a good one. Had a great time. I've been out here 2 nights in a row. Last night wasn't quite as good for me, but tonight was really good, right? Anytime I catch, you know, more than 4 bass, I'm pretty happy with that. So anytime there's 9, even if they are all small, that's fine. I'm gonna find that big guy. I'm gonna keep searching for him. He's out there. It's just taking a little longer than I was hoping, but we're getting there. Bear with me. As it is, what was working tonight was throwing out the Kayak on the owner's underspin. It was a Kayak Easy Shiner. The owner underspin, it was a size 5.0. That's about the only size I like to throw, no matter what the swim bait size. I like the weight of it. Normally, I'll just throw it out and let it sink for a second and pull it back and let them get it, and they didn't like that tonight. Tonight, what they seemed to want was just to allow that bait to sink all the way down and then just bounce it off the bottom like you would if you were fishing a jig off the bottom or something, right? But they liked it. They started responding to it. First one was my typical way of fishing it, and then after that it got to the point of throwing it out there, letting it sink, and they were taking it. So the fish are happy, I'm happy. When you're getting ready to go night fishing, you're going to hear a lot of advice about use all the dark lures. Pay attention to your moon. If there's no moon, use your dark lures. You know, treat it as if you're in chocolate milk water. If this moon is bright out, just throw what you normally throw. Other than that, guys, I'm going to take off. 9 fish, nights on Hartwell. How do you not love it? Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, hey, thanks. There's a subscribe button if you want to see more of this. If not, I don't blame you. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one.